Today we're staying at the Paris Hotel in a Calais suite. It says Calais on the door, but on the website I think they refer to it as a Deluxe King suite. Next to the impressive entryway, you'll find the guest bathroom. I call it the men's room. There's a large shower, enough room for anything a man needs to do. As you travel down the hall towards the bedroom, you'll find the ladies' room. It's much bigger than the men's bedroom. It has marble floors. The sink area has a large marble counter. Plenty of room for all their paints and putties. It has a really nice marble surrounded, extra deep jacuzzi tub with a shower attachment. A separate private area that also comes with a bidet. The makeup table comes with a nice chair and already has some of the major power tools. At the end of the hall we get to the bedroom where we have a super comfortable pillow top king size bed, 2 nightstands with plenty of drawer space, and a large screen TV that pops up out of that foot cabinet. And we have a decent sized closet with a safe. In the dining area, you'll find a wet bar with a sink and an empty refrigerator. A nice little table and chairs to have a romantic lunch or dinner. I usually like my coffee and or breakfast on the coffee table. The Paris Hotel has great coffee, and they bring it to your room very quickly. Enjoying coffee and this view is a great way to start your day. And the view gets even better at night with a light show on the Eiffel Tower and a fountain show from the Bellagio. If you watch this next 1 minute of video correctly, you'll feel like you're there. You might have guessed already, but I'll tell you, Mindy and I highly recommend the Calais suite at the Paris Hotel Casino.